Hello my friends, to another video from Infinitive Passive Income. So today I will share with you guys my best selling design. This design bring me more than 200 sales alone and make me more than $400. I will show you the design, how I find it. Also I will show you how I design it in just 13 minutes beside the title, the tags and all that stuff. Also, I will show you how I was promoting this design. I think I am the first one who do this kind of videos because I am sure there will be a lot of people copy this design and make the same. Because I was facing a big problem before when I was showing my store name, if you remember in the first videos, and I was surprised when I searched for a design of me to see here position in the search results. I was finding the same design used by other sellers. I didn't report anyone, but I was contacted a lot of those lazy people to remove my design, or I will report it to Redbubble support. So before we start, I will much appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button if you are new here, and give this video a like for the algorithm of YouTube, and thank you for your support. Now let's get started. So first, how I find this design. I was doing one of the methods I was already showing you guys. I was looking to this girl shop. This girl have more than 25,000 sales on Redbubble. I recommend anyone to take a look inside this shop to inspire and find ideas. So I see this design, each pasta ran faster. I check the text if there are any copyright or trademark, and I start designing my own design on Canva. And this is the design I created. I was using a font called Avatar beside this regular font here, and this design took me 30 minutes to create it. Like you see, it's simple, colorful, and anyone can create it. And this kind of designs are popular on stickers because 90% of the products sold are stickers. And for the tags, I mixed the tags of the first design with Redbubble suggested keywords. Now I will show you how I was promoting this design outside Redbubble. I was sharing this design on every group related to mother and mom's communities. I was creating a female Facebook profile, and I started creating jokes about this design, and I was using another female account to comment and say, I find a cool stickers of this joke, you can check it from here. I know this method is sneaky, and also I was focusing to the diet and recipes groups because they have a lot of women between 30 to 60 age, and I think this is the best target age of this kind of designs. And I recommend anyone to promote on Facebook groups. It's easy and free, and the best part is your post stay forever on the platform. It's mean you can generate sales anytime. Also, I was doing a lot of sneaky methods to promote this design. I think I was mentioning these methods in this video here. So guys, in short, I think I showed you everything you need to know about my best-selling design. I shown you how I find it, how I design it, and how I promote it. The secret is you must do this work every day, is the consistently. You want to see results, you must work hard and do the same routine every day. Now I am focusing on another business online. Like you already know, I focus on currently in affiliate marketing, but I still receive it almost daily sales on Redbubble, and I am sure if I will do the same effort I was doing before, I am sure 100% I will crush it again on Redbubble. So take advantage of this period. This is the best time to sell in t-shirts online. Make sure you upload new designs every day, be creative, and I am sure you will do great results soon. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. If you benefit, give this video a like for the algorithm of YouTube. It doesn't cost you anything, and stay safe guys, and yeah, stay safe and see you in the next video.